Indoor air quality is something that's on a lot of people's minds these days. When your customers come to you for a solution, you want to be ready, and Replacement Components has you covered. We have both factory-authorized and total-line aftermarket parts and supplies. With our extensive lineup of indoor air quality products, from filters and air cleaners to HEPA systems and UV air purifiers, we have the perfect option for any home or business. You want to have replacement air cleaner filters in stock, and our innovative expandable models provide incredibly versatile options. Installation is quick and easy with 4 adjustable, reusable support arms that allow the filter to expand to fit most popular air cleaner cabinets. They feature specialized filtration with an effective combination of particle capture rate and lower pressure drop than other filters, ensuring cleaner air. And you'll like the space-saving design when you stock your shelves. For an efficient, effective replacement for traditional paper or fiber filters, you want our 1-inch electronic air cleaners. Using an electronic process, they capture and remove particles as small as 0.01 microns. They operate on 24 volts, produce no hazardous ozone, and they're easy to install right in the filter rack of an existing heating and cooling system. And maintenance is a breeze. Just replace the media pads every 4 months. Plus, they come with an incredible 5-year warranty. Then there's our lineup of whole house, high-efficiency media retrofit air cleaners. Like their name says, these air cleaners provide highly efficient removal of airborne contaminants. They're designed for easy installation, feature reversible airflow, and can be mounted at any position. The 5¼ inch filter lasts up to 1 year and is made of continuous fiber material that resists shredding and moisture. And the cabinet is corrosion resistant and covered by a 5-year warranty. And how about HEPA air cleaners? We have duct mount whole house models and portable units, and all remove many airborne contaminants on the first pass of air. Now that's efficient. And our Total Line True HEPA delivers up to an impressive 67 whole house air changes per day. Or choose filtration with our 5-in-1 HEPA air cleaners from 5 Seasons. Again, available in both whole house duct-mounted and portable models. These units feature a carbon pre-filter, an efficient HEPA media filter, 2 UVA germicidal lights, a unique photocatalytic oxidation filter, and a carbon potassium final filter for removal of volatile organic compounds, or VOCs. VOCs are the byproducts of common household items like cleaning supplies, hairspray, air fresheners, paint, and more. All of our HEPA models come with a 5-year limited warranty. And we've made it easy to choose the right model for any home or business. Just see our sizing charts, available at rchvacparts.com. Finally, you can count on Replacement Components for ultraviolet air quality solutions as well. Mounted inside the HVAC system, these germicidal lights direct purifying UV light to the indoor coil and drain pan, primary locations for microbial growth. Our UVC germicidal lights are energy efficient and are available in single or double lamp models. The lamps will need replacing once a year, and they're covered by a 90-day limited warranty. The entire unit is covered for 5 years. Now more than ever, your customers rely on you for indoor air quality solutions for their customers. Count on Replacement Components for the right options for your customers' needs. Learn more at rchvacparts.com/IAQ.